Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? It's a thought that's probably crossed your mind at some point. Maybe you've got a knack for making people laugh, or you've got a skill you'd love to share with the world. Or perhaps you're simply intrigued by the idea of connecting with millions around the globe. Today, we're going to break down the process of creating a YouTube channel into easy, manageable steps. Think of it as a journey to a destination you've always wanted to visit. It might seem overwhelming at first, but with a clear roadmap, you'll be there before you know it. From setting up your Google account to personalizing and optimizing your channel, we'll guide you every step of the way. Content creation, consistency, the works. We've got it all covered. So buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create your own YouTube channel. First things first, you need a Google account to start a YouTube channel. It's simple, really. Head over to Google's homepage and look for the Sign In button. Instead of signing in, select Create Account. Now, you'll need to enter some basic information like your name, birth date, and gender. Here's where the fun begins: choosing your username. This will be your email address, so make it professional and appropriate. Think about your brand and what you want to convey. Remember, this is the first impression you'll make on potential subscribers. Now let's talk about your password. This is crucial. Your password needs to be strong and secure. Combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use easily guessed information like your birth date or pet's name. And remember, never share your password with anyone. Now that you have your Google account ready, we can move on to the next step. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter: creating your YouTube channel. First things first, head on over to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you set up in our previous step. In the top right corner, you'll see a little icon that looks like a person or a silhouette. Click on that and then click on Create a Channel. You'll be taken to a new page where YouTube will ask you to create a channel under your name or a custom name. If you're creating a personal channel, you can use your name. But if you're creating a channel for a specific theme like cooking, fashion, or tech reviews, you might want to choose a custom name that aligns with your content. Choosing a catchy and unique channel name is important. It's the first thing potential subscribers will see. It should be memorable, easy to spell, and give some hint about the type of content you'll be creating. So if you're planning to create a cooking channel, you might go with something like Kitchen Concoctions or Dining Delights. Just remember, the name you choose will represent your brand on YouTube, so make sure it's something you're happy with. Once you've decided on a name, enter it into the text box and click Create. Voila, your channel is born. But don't pop the champagne just yet. We still have a lot of work to do to make your channel shine. Remember, creating a channel is just the first step in your YouTube journey. Your channel is like an empty canvas waiting for you to add your unique touch. With the right approach, you can transform it into a vibrant community where your creativity shines and your audience feels at home. With your channel now created, it's time to personalize it. Your channel is like your online home, so let's make it inviting. Imagine walking up to a house with no windows, no front door, and no sign to say who lives there. Would you want to go in? Probably not. The same logic applies to your YouTube channel. Without the right elements in place, potential viewers may scroll right past. So where do we start? Channel art, profile picture, and a channel description. Channel art is the first thing that visitors see when they land on your page. It's the large banner across the top of your channel that helps to set the tone and create a visual identity. This could be anything from your logo, a catchy phrase, or an image that represents your brand. Either way, it needs to be professional and inviting. Next up, the profile picture. This is the small image that appears next to your channel name. It's like your online avatar, and it's another opportunity to show off your brand. This could be a logo, a headshot, or any image that represents you or your content. Remember, this image will be seen in a lot of places, like comments and search results, so make sure it stands out. Finally, we have the channel description. This is where you tell the world what your channel is about. It's like your elevator pitch. It should be concise, engaging, and filled with keywords related to your content. This is not only for your viewers, but also for YouTube's algorithm. It helps YouTube understand what kind of content you're creating and who it should show it to. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in attracting viewers and giving your channel a professional appearance. They're the first impression you make, and as we all know, first impressions count. So take the time to get them right. Now that your channel has personality, let's make it easier for people to find it. You've built it, but will they come? This is the question that lingers in the minds of many aspiring YouTubers. You've put in the work to create your channel, But how do you ensure that people find it? The answer lies in optimizing your YouTube channel for search. Search engine optimization, or SEO as it's often abbreviated, is a critical component of any successful YouTube channel. SEO is essentially the process of making your content easily discoverable by search engines like Google and YouTube's own search feature. When your channel is properly optimized, it increases the chances of your videos appearing in search results, leading to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more success. So how do you optimize your YouTube channel for search? It all starts with understanding and using relevant keywords. Keywords are the terms that people use when they're searching for content. If you're creating a cooking channel, for instance, relevant keywords might include easy dinner recipes, healthy breakfast ideas, or how to bake a cake. To optimize your channel, you need to incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Let's say you've made a video about baking a chocolate cake. A well-optimized title might be How to Bake a Moist Chocolate Cake, Easy Recipe. This title includes relevant keywords like how to bake, chocolate cake, and easy recipe, making it more likely to appear in search results. Similarly, your video description should also include relevant keywords. But remember, while keywords are important, it's also crucial to write descriptions that are engaging and informative. After all, your description is often the first thing potential viewers read about your video. Tags, too, are a great place to include additional keywords. They help YouTube understand what your video is about and can further improve your video's searchability. Remember, optimizing your YouTube channel for search isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process that involves researching new keywords, testing different strategies, and consistently creating high-quality content. With your channel now optimized for search, you're ready to start creating content. Consistency is key to growing your YouTube channel. And here's why. The more regularly you post, the better your chances of getting noticed by YouTube's algorithm, and ultimately, the more likely you are to grow your audience. Now, you may be wondering, how do I keep up with regular content creation? Well, it all comes down to planning and scheduling. Start by setting a realistic video upload schedule that works for you. It could be once a week, twice a month, or even once a day if you're feeling ambitious. Just remember, it's not about the quantity, but rather the quality of your content that matters. Next, plan your content in advance. Have a clear idea of what videos you want to create and when you want to post them. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you always have fresh content ready to go. Once you have your schedule and plan in place, it's time to create. But don't fret. You don't need a Hollywood-sized budget or a team of professionals to create engaging videos. There are plenty of affordable, even free tools out there that can help you create and edit your videos. All you really need is a good idea and a bit of creativity. And finally, don't forget to be consistent with your video style and branding. This helps your audience recognize your content and gives your channel a professional look. So whether it's your intro, outro, thumbnail, or the way you present your content, make sure it's consistent across all your videos. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. But with consistent and quality content, you're well on your way to growing your audience and making your mark on the YouTube platform. So, armed with these tips, you're ready to conquer the YouTube world. Go forth and create. So, are you feeling ready to start your YouTube journey? We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting up your Google account to creating and personalizing your YouTube channel. We've even delved into the nitty-gritty of optimizing your channel for search, and of course the core of your channel, content creation and consistency. Remember, a YouTube channel is an expression of yourself or your brand, and it's an ongoing project. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and grow. And above all, be patient. It may take time, but with dedication and perseverance, you'll reach your goals. If you have any lingering questions, or you're unsure about anything we've discussed, don't hesitate to drop a comment. We're here to help you navigate this exciting journey. Remember, the only way to fail is not to start. So go ahead, start your YouTube journey today.